So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the theme to dark mode here on BTCC. So once the app is opened up, for example, if you're on like the copy page or the discover page or whatever, go to the bottom left and go back to the favorites page. Once you're here, go to the top left and select the three horizontal lines. Then once you're on this page, go to the top right and select the gear icon. Once you're on the settings page right here at the top where it says color theme, select that. And then where it says default theme, you can change this to light mode or dark mode. So if you wanted to press dark mode, you can select dark mode, and then your thing will appear like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change the theme of your device to dark mode here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.